If you want to set up your Samsung Galaxy A56, follow the simple steps. So first of all, let's press start in this start window. So first of all, we have to choose a language. Choose one of the languages on this list. I'll choose English and press next. So now you have to give your agreement to end user license agreement. Press next. Now you have an option to set up with another device. So if you have your older iPhone, Galaxy, Android device, tap on the corresponding button. However, I'll press setup manually for now. So now you shall choose and connect to the network, which password you know, right? Press next. So now you'll be prompted to transfer your photos, apps, contacts, Google account, and more from your previous device. I'll press done copy for now. You can press next and follow the simple steps. The process is going to be pretty much easy. So now you have to sign in into your Google account. So enter your email, press go, and now you have to enter your password. Press next. So choose who will be using this device, you or your child. I'll choose I will be using the device. Press next. So once again, you have to agree to the Google Terms of Service. So press I agree. Now you can set up your phone protection, so you can set up PIN, password, pattern, fingerprints, or face recognition if you want to. However, I'll press skip for now. You can always do that later in the settings. So here are Google services. You have to accept everything. Now you can turn backup or don't turn on the backup. I'll use backup, why not? So now you have to choose your browser and search engine. Next, I'll choose Google Chrome. You may choose whatever you like. Set as default. Google, set as default. So now you can set up your Gemini. This is basically an advanced version of Hey Google. I will do that later. So I'll press no thanks, or you can easily agree to that and use it. Why not? So now you'll be prompted to use your Samsung account. You can always set it up later. However, if you have one, why not to log in? So choose your credential information. I will choose email or phone number, and I will go with the email. So enter your email, press next. Now enter your password. So now you have to agree to the terms and conditions and special terms. Agree to Samsung services. Now choose your display mode, light or dark one. I'll go with the light one. Press next. So now you can get some recommended apps. However, usually I skip this step because I don't use much of those apps. So unchoose or choose some applications and press next. And we're all set up. Press home. And now you can use your new Samsung. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.